हर बार तुम मुझे मना लेती हो। यू कन्विंस मी एवरी टाइम। यू कन्विंस मी एवरी टाइम। मैं काम पर हूँ। आई एम एट वर्क। मैं काम पर हूँ। आई एम एट वर्क। तुम्हें ज़्यादा सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। यू डोंट नीड टू थिंक टू मच। यू डोंट नीड टू थिंक टू मच। क्या तुमने भी वही सुना जो मैंने सुना? Did you hear what I heard too? Did you hear what I heard too? मुझे आपसे माफ़ी मांगनी चाहिए। I should apologize to you. I should apologize to you. छूते ही चालू हो गया। It started with a touch. It started with a touch. हर चीज़ का एक वक्त होता है। There is a time for everything. There is a time for everything. तुम इतनी जल्दी में क्यों थी? Why were you in such a hurry? Why were you in such a hurry? उसने ऐसा कदम क्यों उठाया? Why did he take such a step? Why did he take such a step? हमें उन्हें बचाना है। We have to save them. हमें उन्हें बचाना है। We have to save them. तुम मुझे क्या दोगे? What will you give me? तुम मुझे क्या दोगे? What will you give me? मैंने वहाँ रखा है। I have kept it there. मैंने वहाँ रखा है। I have kept it there. हमें हमारी मजदूरी मिल गई। We got our wages. We got our wages. मैं याद रखूँगा। I will remember that. मैं याद रखूँगा। I will remember that. यह दोनों बातें अलग अलग हैं। These two things are different. These two things are different. तुम्हारी माँ घर में है? Is your mother at home? तुम्हारी माँ घर में है? Is your mother at home? ये रही तुम्हारी मजदूरी। Here is your wages. Here is your wages. इससे आपको क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है? What does it matter to you? What does it matter to you? हमें उसे पकड़ना है। We have to catch him. हमें उसे पकड़ना है। We have to catch him. यह तुम्हारी गलतफहमी है। This is your misunderstanding. This is your misunderstanding. मैं इसे दोहराना नहीं चाहती। I don't want to repeat it. I don't want to repeat it. अब हमें क्या करना चाहिए? What should we do now? अब हमें क्या करना चाहिए? What should we do now? लगता है वो बाहर चला गया। I think he went out. I think he went out. तुम्हारे साथ जो कुछ भी हुआ, whatever happened to you. Whatever happened to you. मैं किसी को मना नहीं करती। I don't refuse anyone. I don't refuse anyone. उसके सामने तो यह कुछ भी नहीं है। This is nothing before that. This is nothing before that. मेरे लिए इतना बड़ा जोखिम क्यों उठाया तुमने? Why did you take such a big risk for me? Why did you take such a big risk for me? सस्ती छोड़ो महंगी लेकर आओ। Leave the cheap and bring the expensive. Leave the cheap and bring the expensive. क्या तुम्हें डर नहीं लगता? Aren't you scared? Aren't you scared? मेरा काम कौन करेगा? Who will do my work? मेरा काम कौन करेगा? Who will do my work? तुम अचानक बदल क्यों गए? Why did you suddenly change? Why did you suddenly change? ये इस हालत में क्यों है? Why is he in this condition? Why is he in this condition? फिर मैंने सोचा तुमसे भी मिल लूँ। Then I thought to meet you too. Then I thought to meet you too. मैं तुम्हें सहारा देने आया हूँ. I have come to support you. I have come to support you. मैं इस मामले का जिक्र करना तो भूल ही गया. I forgot to mention this matter. I forgot to mention this matter. किसने तोड़ा ताला? Who broke the lock? किसने तोड़ा ताला? Who broke the lock? इसने मुझे दी थी. She gave it to me. इसने मुझे दी थी. She gave it to me. मैं आपसे पैसे नहीं ले सकती. I can't take money from you. I can't take money from you. मैंने चाबी आपके कमरे में रख दी थी. I put the key in your room. I put the key in your room. ग्लास ठीक से पकड़ो. Hold the glass properly. Hold the glass properly. मुझे और क्या चाहिए? What else do I want? मुझे और क्या चाहिए? What else do I want? हमें हमारी ज़िंदगी बदलनी है. We have to change our life. We have to change our life. वो आने ही वाले हैं. He is about to come. वो आने ही वाले हैं. He is about to come. इसे क्यों रखा है तुमने? Why have you kept this? इसे क्यों रखा है तुमने? Why have you kept this? तुम इतनी दूर क्यों खड़ी हो? Why are you standing so far away? Why are you standing so far away? अब उसकी बारी है. Now it's his turn. अब उसकी बारी है. Now it's his turn. उसने दोस्ती के नाते मेरी मदद की. He helped me as a friend. He helped me as a friend. मैं क्या करूं इसका? What shall I do with him? मैं क्या करूं इसका? What shall I do with him? एक अच्छा दोस्त बनने के लिए शुक्रिया. Thanks for being a good friend. Thanks for being a good friend. मुझे बाहर निकलने को कह दिया उसने. He told me to get out. He told me to get out. पूरी दुनिया बदल रही है. The whole world is changing. The whole world is changing. आखिरी फैसला मेरा ही होगा. The final decision will be mine only. The final decision will be mine only. मुझे जो कहना था मैंने कह दिया. I said what I had to say. I said what I had to say. तुम्हारी आंखें लाल हो गई हैं. Your eyes have turned red. Your eyes have turned red. मुझे शर्म आ रही है. I am feeling shy. मुझे शर्म आ रही है. I am feeling shy. मैंने तुमसे अंदर जाने के लिए कहा था. I asked you to go inside. I asked you to go inside. मुझे वहाँ कोई नहीं मिला. I didn't find anyone there. I didn't find anyone there. ये हमारे साथ खेल खेल गया. He played a game with us. He played a game with us. किसी को धोखा देना गलत है. Cheating someone is wrong. Cheating someone is wrong. हम बाद में संभाल लेंगे. We will handle it later. हम बाद में संभाल लेंगे. We will handle it later. हम अपनी गलती सुधार रहे हैं. We are correcting our mistake. We are correcting our mistake. मुझे कुछ नहीं हुआ है. Nothing happened to me. मुझे कुछ नहीं हुआ है. Nothing happened to me. तुम पिकनिक मनाने वाले हो क्या? Are you going to have a picnic? Are you going to have a picnic? तुम्हें यह करना है या नहीं? Do you want to do it or not? Do you want to do it or not? इसका पागलपन बढ़ गया है. His madness has increased. His madness has increased. मैं सचमुच नहीं समझ पाया. I really don't understand. I really don't understand. मुझे तुम पर पूरा भरोसा है. I trust you completely. I trust you completely. तुम हमेशा मेरी बेइज्जती करते रहते हो. You always keep insulting me. You always keep insulting me. यह मैंने तुमसे ही सीखा है. I have learned this from you. I have learned this from you. तुम अपना दिमाग ठंडा रखना. You keep your mind cool. You keep your mind cool. मुझे तुम्हारा जवाब जानना है. I want to know your answer. I want to know your answer. इसे कैसे पता चल गया? How did she find out? How did she find out? मैं उससे तुम्हारी बात करवाऊँ क्या? Shall I make him talk to you? Shall I make him talk to you? तुम चाहे जितनी कोशिश कर लो. No matter how hard you try. No matter how hard you try. ये तुम खुद क्यों नहीं कर लेती? Why don't you do this yourself? Why don't you do this yourself? तुम्हारे दिमाग में चल क्या रहा है? What is running in your mind? What is running in your mind? इसने तो पूरा खेल ही बदल डाला. He changed the entire game. He changed the entire game. आपको मेरा जादू कैसा लगा? How did you like my magic? How did you like my magic? तुम लड़कियों की तरह शर्मा रहे हो. You are blushing like girls. You are blushing like girls. हम लोग कहीं बाहर चले? Shall we go out somewhere? Shall we go out somewhere? मैं दोबारा तुम्हें कभी परेशान नहीं करूँगा. I will never trouble you again. I will never trouble you again. ये तो तेज़ भी नहीं है. It's not even sharp. ये तो तेज़ भी नहीं है. It's not even sharp. मगर हमें गुस्सा नहीं होना चाहिए. But we shouldn't get angry. But we shouldn't get angry. मैं उसे अपने घर ले जा रहा हूँ. I am taking her to my house. I am taking her to my house. वो भी यही कहते हैं. They also say the same thing. They also say the same thing. इसके पीछे एक वजह है. There is a reason behind this. There is a reason behind this. हम लोग किसी और से पूछ लेंगे. We will ask someone else. We will ask someone else. तुम्हारी मदद करके क्या फ़ायदा? What's the use of helping you? What's the use of helping you? मैं उन्हें देखने जा रही हूँ. I am going to see them. I am going to see them. उसने तुम्हें क्यों बुलाया था? Why did he call you? Why did he call you? बस एक बार कोशिश कर लो. Just try it once. Just try it once. तुम्हारे दिमाग में चल क्या रहा है? What's going on in your mind? What's going on in your mind? उसे मत मारना. Don't hit him. उसे मत मारना. Don't hit him. मैं इसे कैसे भूल सकती हूँ? How can I forget it? How can I forget it? वह पक्का हार जाएगा. He will definitely lose. He will definitely lose. तुमसे कोई नहीं जीत सकता. No one can win to you. No one can win to you. तुम्हें खुद पर काबू करना होगा. You have to control yourself. You have to control yourself. वो भी मेरे डर की वजह से. That too because of my fear. That too because of my fear. हम ईमानदारी से जीतेंगे। We will win with honesty. We will win with honesty. हम जैसा सोचते हैं वैसा नहीं होता। It doesn't happen as we think. लोग जिएंगे कैसे? How will people survive? लोग जिएंगे कैसे? How will people survive? मेरे पास इतना वक्त नहीं है। I don't have that much time. I don't have that much time. तुम नौकरी ढूंढ रहे हो? Are you looking for a job? Are you looking for a job? मुझे डांटने का हक है आपको। You have a right to scold me. You have a right to scold me. तुमने हमें इज्जत दी। You gave us respect. You gave us respect. तुम्हें तमीज़ है या नहीं? Do you have manners or not? Do you have manners or not? मैं उनके चेहरे पर खुशी देखना चाहती हूँ। I want to see joy on his face. I want to see joy on his face. मैंने तुम्हें जाने के लिए कह दिया। I asked you to leave. I asked you to leave. मैं इतनी आसानी से कैसे मानती? How could I agree so easily? How could I agree so easily? Thank you. If you like the video then please like, share and subscribe my channel.